Today I ran into Bishkek, and it was everything you would imagine when you start running into a major city. I mean, the traffic started increasing, the honking started increasing, the noise, and it was a little bit unsettling because I just spent a few days running across the country when I didn't have to kind of worry about any of this stuff. As I got closer to the city center, I was able to stop at one of the access centers where the locals are taught English. And I got to speak with a group of high schoolers and was really impressed by their English skills and their comprehension, not just their language skills, but their understanding of some of the themes that I was discussing, which were, but what they really liked was the run together. So I invited them all to run with me out of their driveway to the main road. And then I continued onward into the city center of Bishkek. I was met by a couple local runners, and it was really chaotic as we got down toward the downtown. Just the bazaar, very loud, very crazy. Everything you would imagine a bazaar to be in Central Asia, it was. And we ran right through it, so we got to experience it firsthand at 6 miles an hour. But then got into downtown, was able to look at some of the really historic buildings. You could see the influence of the Russian architecture versus the more modern architecture, and that contrast was very stark as you come into the city. Finished right down at the very center of town. In fact, the center of town that they actually have a gold compass, and one I'll never forget is there was pointing northeast was a signature for Talus, which we had come from, and it said it was 302 kilometers, and it reminded me of just how much distance we've covered during this journey. So another magical day in Central Asia.